Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Got a knife unboxing for you guys. Let me break it out real quick. Just make sure I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. All right. That's Let's see. How would you say this?
Ausus?
Ausus. She say
Ausus. I
Ausus.
sound like Ausus?
Ausus. And I even have a.
German?
I don't. It actually gives a description. It is Latin verb for dare to have courage and act boldly, venture, risk, and intent, be prepared. So,
Okay.
so it's called I wanted a micarta knife, and I found this one a fairly good price. Usually, micarta knives are usually over $50, and I found this for $29 on Amazon. A StatGear brand. The box is really kind of nice. I opened up, took a look at it. It's pretty cool. Here's the specs they put on the box for us. So it is 3.5 inch blade, 3.5 inch blade, D2 steel, taper grind. Handle length is 4.5. See what this does. I don't know if that helps really now. I'll just read too. There it is. It is blade thickness 3.2 millimeter, hardness 5961. Handle material is the micarta, like I said I wanted to get, and it's a liner lock. So here's the knife. It comes in. It's kind of a snazzy looking knife. Is how it comes in the box. Micarta. It has almost like a 1940s to me look. Alright, let's get that. So it was coming real package tight. It was not in no plastic or anything, just the box. But this is like I said, it kind of reminds me. It's a very squared off knife. It has that. It's a micarta canvas. You can see that. Get a nice close look at it. Lanyard hole, deep carry pocket clip. It's a stainless on the micarta brown. From this side, you can see the micarta. You can see the texturing on it. See, so I can get it. Yeah, you can see it kind of. Got a nice grain on it. It has extra large thumb studs, so you flick it right open. There's what it looks like. Let's go to the show side first. It's a stone wash, bead blast kind of. You see it there. The blade shape's a drop point. There's the other side. It's marking that this is D2. See. Deep carry. You see the side. Nice. The lanyard hole's nice and big. Has the StatGear little engraving on it. It's getting too much glare when I'm trying with. There we go. StatGear on it. And it says D2 on it on this side. Yeah. D2 steel. Skeletonized. You can see that in there. Both sides skeletonized. Nice big hole to grab it, and it drops shut. Centering is spot on. Even for a liner lock, usually liner locks push it a little bit, but it looks real good. It might be pushed a little bit. It's not touching anything. There's an air gap or there, so it's not rubbing. It just flies open. So there's no flipper, so just a thumb studs. They're on bearings. What do you see down in there? Let's see. You might be able to see it in there. But there's bearings in there. Okay. So I like the. It's kind of cool. It's like a classic looking knife. Nothing aggressive looking. Just see, we'll lay it down here and count how long it is. The blade is 1, 2, 3, about half, 3.5 inches long. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 inches long. Closed. There you go. It's nice and square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not quite 4.5 inches. Sits like that. Alright, let's see what I found. Let's go to this screen here. Where are you at? We are looking for. Here, what we're looking for. We're looking for this screen. Alright, so I bought this one. Whoa, oh, because it comes with the. There's different levels. They're all the same knife, but different prices. That's black on black. This is the one I bought right here. $27.99 for the micarta. That's part of the reason I bought it, because I wanted micarta. It's D2 blade. Let's scroll down. High-end micarta, made in the USA or imported. I'm pretty sure it's imported. So they blade is extremely sharp. Made in China. Okay. Alright, anyways. Built for made in China. Right there's some made in China. And StatGear D2 3.5 inch blade, a 16-inch bevel on the taper, so handle width is 1.1 inches, stainless steel. There's some other ones. No tactical room skeleton. Elegance. It does have skeletonized, but simple rectangle handle with matching angled corners make premium canvas micarta look like your favorite faded jeans. Okay, so it's very low, not flashy. It's just kind of there. It's like it just reminds me like a house from the 40s. It has that wood, but it's not wood. It's canvas. So anyway, so I bought the one that's $27, but there are other options. This one's black, and I want $49. Oh, that's the green one. There's only one left. If you want to get that one, that's $49. $75 one, and it comes with this like holster type thing, and then another $35. That's black and black blade. So, okay, let's go back here. Alright. Let's go back to my other screen and do some size comparisons. Okay. Now here's a tape and a ruler on it. Anyways, alright, already counted. Here's a Spyderco Tenacious. I'll do a couple of them. So it's a little smaller than the Tenacious. The blade's about the same length, but it's a little different handle style. And then Ganzo's Rat 1 type. Actually, it's very similar size to this one right here. Very, very similar. You can almost see it's almost perfectly the same size as a Rat 1. Well, this isn't the Rat 1, but the size of the Rat 1, which is this, would be the size. And if anybody has a Fenwolf from Cold Steel, it's very comparable size to that. So, there we go. There's Fin Wolf. Alright. And I'll do a, let me put these back and it came, it's not quite shaving sharp, but here's some foam paper. It has no trouble cutting through foam paper. So there you go. Like the Fin Wolf came real sharp. Let's see what, but the Fin Wolf is a little, it's a scandy grind, but anyway, so, but it did come, I wouldn't, it's not shaving sharp. Let's see. Not quite shaving sharp. Like this Fin Wolf right here. I believe this one's shave. Yeah, it's not sharp as this Fin Wolf, but it is sharp enough to cut foam paper. It's sharp enough. I've found there's been Gerbers that I've got that actually are less sharp than this. So it is sharp. Not shave your hair sharp, but it is sharp enough. I would give it a, if I was going to give it a sharpness, I'd say it's 8 out of 10. Now, of course, this Fin Wolf, this would be a 10 out of 10. So, and I believe even the Spyderco came, it was probably a 7 out of 10. I don't believe it was shaving sharp. So, it's a very, actually well put together blade for not really a name brand. Never heard of it. And it flies open and shakes shut. It's kind of a little bit of I don't know, it's just kind of a different style knife. I think it looks better closed. Just looks really snazzy closed. That micarta and that stainless steel looks really good. Okay. Well, I think I took a little enough of your time. So I'm going to wrap it up. So if you like knife videos, unboxings, electronics and stuff, go ahead and smash that bell. And alright, and like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Alright, see ya. Bye.